Okay, Einar Kalistad is now taking the gun. He will shoot the 45 caliber gun. Is it a 45 caliber? 45 caliber? 9mm. Kana? 9mm gun. Yeah.
Say hello.
Hello.
Beside Einar is the master of this firing range.
Hello, Norway.
He is the one who managed, and then this is the police man who guards this firing range. And then the pollute boys, the one who will get the bullets.
Yes.
And here, now, Einar is ready.
Now.
Fire up.
Ayan, gitirahan ko. Why, po?
So, lagi later na na.
Pinatigalan na sila. Sige, barilan eh.
Let's see. Nice. Here, Einar shoot these holes. That one. These two. Damn. All in a critical body. Nice. That's up, okay?
Yep.